Looking for smooth gaming and lightning-fast browsing? Unlock the secret with low-ping APN settings. Get high-speed internet, zero lag, and the best online experience. Stay tuned to set it up in video.
Go to Phone Settings. SIM and Network Settings. Choose your SIM card for manually APN Internet Settings. Access Point Name. Click on plus icon, add new APN Internet Settings. Tab on Name. Tab on APN. Tab on Username. Tab on Server. Authentication type. PAP. APN type. APN protocol, IPv4/IPv6. APN roaming protocol, IPv4/IPv6. Now, save new APN settings after select this APN after restarting phone check your Android phone, internet. Speed thanks. Watching my video, like, share, and subscribe.